Hi guys, today we are doing a very simple dish, but it is so high in flavor and it is like nothing you've tasted before. So we start with a pan on high heat and we are going to roast the peppers until they are fully charred on the outside. I remember when I used to eat this dish when I was a kid and it was one of my favorites. And for a full complete meal you can just eat protein on the side. So I cover them and I let them on the pan for about half an hour. And if you have a gas stove, a gas hob, that's even better because you can char them within 5 minutes. You just put them with no pan, just on the flame like that, like open flame, or the barbecue. It is barbecue weather after all. As you can see, the peppers have already started to separate, so that's what we want. We want to char the peppers and then put them in a dish and we cover them so the skin separates from the rest of the pepper. So in reality we are going to remove the burnt bit. And I got 2 onions and chopped them finely while I let the peppers sweat. Chop, chop, chop. I was crying. I know it's not in the video, but these onions, oh my god, they were trying to end me. And some garlic. It is super simple. Oh yeah, pro tip, you can smash the garlic so the skin goes off easier. Trust me, it does work. Some butter. I used the same pan because I wanted the flavor from the charred skin of the peppers to stay in the pan. But if you don't want the taste, you can just use another one. I sauteed the onions for a bit and then added the garlic. You don't want to burn the garlic. Garlic is very, very fickle. Yeah, I added the garlic after. You can use olive oil if you want, whatever you have in hand. Just saute them slightly. So now, while the onions and the garlic are in medium heat, again, don't burn them, I just skinned the pepper. The pepper was still really hot. I was trying not to burn myself and unfortunately I did fail. And then I gave up, as you can see, so I just did it with a knife. It did work. Yeah, just remove all the skin and the seeds. Chop it as however you like. You can do it in long strips as well. It already has a lot of flavor. Yeah, you add it to the pan and we're nearly done. It is a very easy recipe, but believe me, you will absolutely love it and put it on your weekly rotation. I added some salt, some pepper and oregano. And now I took 1 egg. It depends on how many people you're doing this for, but you can do 2 eggs. You can just double the ingredients basically. And about 3-4 heaped tablespoons of yogurt. I used 4 in this one. Just mix it together to make a sauce. It is a healthy recipe as well. Yep, you put it in the pan and we're nearly done. I promised you it was easy, and as I've told you before, I always keep my promises. We are there, guys, and please try it. I know it looks odd, unless you're from the Balkans. In that case, you know exactly what this is. But yeah, it's such a simple recipe, and it's definitely worth it. We're trying. So if you do, please let me know. And thank you so much for watching this, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.